What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Keisha's Corner, where you never know what's happening on the corner. I am your host, Keisha McCall. Y'all know me, comedian Keisha McCall, and we are back today with another movie review. Now, today we have something special. A few days ago, I received an email that states, from Edward Hinckley, that states, "Hi, Keisha. I know this isn't exactly your lane." Well, it kind of is now, but I've been a fan of your content for a minute and recently had my first screenplay produced and released on Tubi. It would be an honor to have you review it, even if you tear it to tiny pieces. Okay, well, first of all, congratulations on your first screenplay being produced and released. That is fantastic. Yeah, it's fantastic. Congratulations. But that's what we're gonna do tonight. We're gonna review it. Now, I can't promise you ever that I won't tear it to tiny pieces, but hopefully I won't have to do that. But even so, it's gonna be all fun and all love. So that's what we're getting ready to do. And we're not gonna waste any time. We're gonna jump right into it. So here we go. It's called The Installation, by the way. I'm sorry, y'all. The Installation on Tubi. Okay, so y'all, looking at the cast so far, I don't recognize any of these names, so I'm assuming these are new actresses, maybe independent actors, actresses. Some creepy little images coming up too, along with this creepy little music. I don't know if y'all know, but creepy shit. I be screaming and shit. Creepy shit will creep me out. I guess it's what it's supposed to be. Oh, we starting off fucked up.
Reed, who are you? And why the fuck am I here? Reed, let me go.
Yeah.
You goddamn.
What did you get with the book? Girl, I know your head hurt.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Who are you? And why did you kidnap me?
Questions to be answered
Now.
on my schedule.
You will rot in jail for this.
Highly unlikely.
Oh, shit. I mean, you probably ain't getting out of that though.
I must apologize for striking you earlier.
Yeah, that's right.
I abhor violence, but am cursed with a quick temper. This unwelcome companion has shadowed my already tragic life. The results of a tumultuous childhood.
Untie me.
All of
Quick
you
temper. Usually pretty
enigmas
fine.
lesson, riddles solved.
Stand up. Walk over here and untie these fucking ropes.
Girl, now you gonna down with it.
Right. You're angry, you're confused. I get it. You You didn't ask to be here. But I promised you, in the end, you're gonna be happy I chose you.
Chose me?
Happy.
Chose you.
You want me to ask you why you chose me?
Desperately.
No.
But she already asked you why she was there.
How cruel.
If you wanted to kill me, I'd already be dead.
Spoiler.
What?
Never mind that. I guess I could introduce a breadcrumb as to your involvement in my grand experiment.
We find out you got some.
I didn't ask you.
As a lifelong thespian and purveyor of the arts,
Okay,
I've recently admitted to myself the world just may not be ready for my lofty abilities. Like the Velvet Underground in the mid-60s, I will have to wait until after my party to enjoy my recognition. An artist cannot blame the world for its misunderstanding of her art. A child could never grasp King Lear and its devastating prose, much like the fish could never interpret the double slit experiment. But the baton does not begrudge our scaly friend. It looks upon him with pity.
Girl, you talking in all these
But
damn
behind
words
that
and shit.
pity is anger. Anger that such brainlessness exists and is still allowed to exist. Like we share the same synapses in our gray matter, yet separated by oceans of intelligence is utterly impossible. Yet here we are. Ah.
Did you just replace the photon with yourself at the end of your soliloquy?
Oh, I know. A terrible read. I swear I rehearsed this, but I couldn't predict that my adrenaline would mount up like it did. I will leave something for this world. A digital postcard with your participation. My talents, my abilities, my contributions, they'll all be acknowledged and revealed and then re-acknowledged. It'll be nothing short of a paradigm shift in modern art.
You could do all that without me.
No.
Yes.
No.
Why?
For all of my talents, the years of toil and everything I've given, I remain and just will always remain a coward.
I don't understand.
My suicide, it's going to disgust, enlighten, horrify, and inspire.
Your suicide.
Your suicide?
Generations are going to puzzle over it. And all of the great speakers of the future, they're gonna litter stages with their thoughts and interpretations. I intended to do it myself, I swear. I sat in that chair for hours on end, hand on the switch, under the influence of drink and drug, and I just couldn't do it. Couldn't. I knew my masterpiece needed a rewrite, and that is where you come in.
Well, you can do all of that without me.
I'm going to do it with you.
Well, if you want someone to help you kill yourself, I can do that.
That's
I've
murder.
grown accustomed to that wit of yours over these past
No
few
longer
months.
suicide. Well, assisted suicide.
We've never met. You lunatic!
Not formally.
Just tell me what you're gonna do to me.
How you know this girl? We even have an ego.
Out with it.
Change the world.
How?
Out with it! Like she said, girl, come on. What is all this shit up here?
Jesus fucking Christ.
It's not blasphemy in my home.
What the fuck is that?
This, my dear Jessica, this is the fulcrum of what will no doubt be hailed as the greatest art installation in all of human history.
So is you an artist or is you a thespian?
Credit where credit's due.
Thank God. Because I would have flubbed the line. I would have never forgiven myself.
But there's still the matter of my kidnapping, now made more complicated due to a swinging hatchet on the ceiling.
Ignore it for now. It'll be of great consequence in our near future.
Ignore it.
I admit it's been there for quite some time, so I hardly even notice it, but I shouldn't be surprised that you're so captivated by it.
It's a giant fucking hatchet, and it's right up above me.
When the cameras are rolling, don't call it a hatchet. It's crude. Call it the forge.
The forge.
Yes, the forge.
That's the best they could cook up with in the writer's room. I think I'm gonna take this time to inform you that when I get out of this chair, I will kill you with my hands.
It's cute, but save that energy.
For what?
Calm.
Are these the only two
Calm.
actors in the film? Actresses? You just doing a whole lot of lollygag and then beating around the bush.
Okay.
And
The
come on.
pointillism, Michelangelo's Sistine, the Surrealists, the Impressionists, the Baroque, I mean, they all will bend the knee into what we will create.
So you trying to create like
An
a
art
art piece with these dead bodies, with your dead body, with
history set and forever fixed.
And that's for me.
Why you need her?
Never mind that.
Well, my outcome is of great importance to me.
Easy. There's no need for our vibrations to get nasty.
Yeah, well, you haven't been kidnapped and tied up like a fucking animal.
I take your point.
So like an animal, I'm gonna have to kill my way out of this.
Do not sullen our repartee with such talk. I know you. Reasonable person.
Yeah, well, you're not a woman who looks like they could be reasoned with.
Thanks.
So, my only hope to escape is with brutal force.
Girl, it's your hands is so tight.
Busy, but
And get on with it. We supposed to be murdering.
Castrating. It makes it hard for me to take you seriously.
And you want to talk about being taken seriously?
Careful.
You know, I want to call your paradigm shift and a delusion of grandeur, which is an affront to delusions.
That wit, it cuts.
And what kind of artist kidnaps their audience, huh?
I admit, I've been using you as a sort of taboo.
Yeah, no shit. You know, what kind of artist are you exactly?
Thanks.
What do you
And
mean?
what is this blanket?
What kind of art have you created? What have you created?
I'm a woman of the stage primarily.
What stage?
Countless.
Name one.
I'm really a jack of all trades.
Girl, you been
Okay,
on
the
my
stage
stage.
is just one of many artistic outlets.
Film? TV?
Of course.
Show me your goddamn IMDb.
Where it go? Where it?
Wait, you talking about Hollywood?
You ain't gotta be Hollywood to have one of them fancy papers. So I got one.
What are you taking for? I told you I was an artist, not a prostitute.
Yeah, so you probably turned down a lot of big deals, huh?
Oh, you'd be surprised.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't.
You know, if you think that money and deals are what make an artist, I fear I may have overestimated you.
So you think that I'm wrong for judging an artist based on their success?
I do.
Yeah, well, talented artists get recognition. And such recognition brings on adoration. And such adoration brings on a certain level of fame. I mean, even a shitty band playing at a club will get their name out there if they know how to play a great tune. And I've never seen your face anywhere. Not in a bootleg of Law and Order, and definitely not on a fucking stage. So who the fuck are you, huh? I mean, could anybody else other than your fucking self call you an artist?
Oh shit, don't go, baby.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
That one hurt a little bit. Just a little bit.
Good.
I mean, Law and Order?
You get my fucking point.
Oh.
And where the hell are we anyway? I mean, is this shithole your home?
Yes. It is. And I love it.
Yeah, well, if we were to measure an artist based on their financial success, I would say your career is a resounding fucking failure.
It uses the word career.
Oh, so I've been demoted to it?
For the time being.
Well, for the time being, I'm looking at a hack loser nobody who's angry at the world because it didn't give her the cosmic pat on the back she thinks it owes her.
That word loser, we don't use that word.
Oh yeah? Well, give me an alternative for what the fuck I'm looking at.
May I remind you of my temper?
Oh yeah, a 40-year-old? I mean, because you are pushing 40, right? A 40-year-old Black American woman who didn't get the goodies she thought she deserved as a kid. I mean, what else did you want to be, huh? You wanted to be an astronaut? The president? A fucking lottery winner?
Enough, okay?
If you don't want me to use the word loser, I'm going to need you to buy at the source for me, as I've never known such word to be tailor-made for an individual, that you would ban such word, which is making conversating with you very challenging.
Enough!
You know, don't you have something chambered for something like this, huh? A well-rehearsed retort? A pithy line of dialogue from one of those plays that you've never, ever performed at in your entire fucking life?
I'm gonna hurt you again.
Well, you better get the fuck to it then. Because the only creative outlet I have is critiquing this old-ass piece of shit artwork standing before me. A walking testament against the theater arts degree. A child with an Oedipus complex. A self-righteous bitch who actually uses the word thespian. A goddamn...
Oh. See, then you go back on there, run your hands to your head. Why you so frustrated though? It's your man. Bitch, you're finna smoke some crack. is this mess? What the fuck? Oh, you finna stick her with something? Oh, Lord. Oh, no, honey. You on all that? You had to be on dope, though, for this shit. Oh, my God.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh, wakey, wakey.
Don't let me distract you.
I've developed quite the knack over the years.
In the foot?
Well, track marks are for street people.
Oh, no, not street people.
Takes the edge off, as they say.
So I heard.
Well, I could have dunked in the hallway or the bathroom to do this, but I need there to be no secrets between us.
Girl.
Are you gonna apologize for hitting me?
Fuck no. That's better.
I read that book, Junkie, by Will Bros twice. That's the closest I've ever gotten to that stuff.
There's pros and there's cons.
So I hear.
Burroughs, though. Burroughs, he supported his habit with petty crimes. It always pained me to see such a genius stoop to such low levels.
And how do you support yourself exactly?
I would not discuss financials with you.
That's fair.
So, you mentioned you never imbibed in dope.
Never.
In your past drug use?
Marijuana in high school, psychedelics at the university, and an odd key bump with friends when visiting home.
How pedestrian?
Well, I've never had the urge to stick a needle in my fucking foot.
I don't know, it'll be something I know damn well you're not gonna stick one in her foot.
Hey, if you OD on that, I'm fucked. So maybe you need to hold back a little bit.
It's a you, bitch.
Like I said, no secrets between us.
Meaning?
What I feel.
No. No.
And as a testament to your good luck, this is some really good shit.
Man, look, I don't want to be a dope fiend, man. No.
You'll be thanking me in just a few.
Come on, no.
Don't worry.
Listen, no.
Bitch, if you don't keep that bitch in the face, oh, Lord, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Jesus.
Oh, no.
Oh, God.
Your feet must be tired. Oh, no.
Like, oh, God, I get it.
Man.
This is it. This. See that? This is the book.
I read that book when I was
This book here, this is where I learned that art could do more than just simply entertain.
Do we have to do this right now?
Oh, yes. If you are to become me, you have to know me. Everything.
Captive audience.
Precisely. At the age of 3, I was introduced to a portal that would transport me to my raison d'etre, a full and complete understanding of the words of Rumi, the musing of Nabokov, and the epitomization of Nietzsche's philosophies. But more importantly, this book. If it were not for this book, you and I wouldn't even be sitting here today.
Fuck that book.
Fuck that book. Hurry up and get to it. What are we doing?
Why do you want me to become you?
Oh, that'll come later. Don't worry about it now.
Okay.
My life story is really not that dissimilar from that of the protagonist in Jean-Paul Sartre's greatest short story.
Aerostratus?
No, and fuck you. My parents were both heavy drinkers. We had very little to no money, and neither of them cared to be parents. I was widely ignored. And when I demanded attention, I was met with violence.
So did your imagination just go crazy? Did you have a brain break?
The wrench.
Psychotic break?
Or the switch.
That's not your fault.
What?
Nothing.
I threw myself into books and cinema. I was ravenous. They were my only companion. I learned to enjoy their company. At the age of 9, that's when I started smoking marijuana. Look, that's me. The third husband on the right.
Girl, this the last time you was on stage?
I could actually see my heart beating. It was manipulating the fabrics laid across my chest. But boy, I have never felt so alive.
Narcissist. Check.
You got
I
one
warned you.
more time.
We're working.
Actually, that's the last time. 3 is 3 strikes. Your ass is out. Is your fucking feet tied up?
Discovered Stanislavski. He played bit parts in elementary school plays, oftentimes never even having speaking roles, but he was always considered the star of the show, or so he thought. He wouldn't sleep for months or weeks or days leading up to the performance, knowing that it had to be just right. And from the moment he stepped on that stage, he knew that he had to pursue his dream of acting, even if it killed him. Behold, my Brando moment. Oh, that's just a friend whose parents had the decency and wherewithal to show interest in her childhood.
You're bitter.
Mm-hmm.
You got
Your parents wasn't there.
Could you imagine? I mean, just think where I would be today if someone had shown just a little encouragement in my youth.
You really want to ask me that question?
Okay, moving on.
I don't know. I don't know what she's trying to get at or why she needs this woman. We still don't know. She's saying there's been, now we're seeing some old ass acting, some old ass childhood acting, but like, is that, how you even get in this play? You saying your parents didn't get no fucks about you or whatever. So you got this part in this play, I don't even know how. Then I guess you saying your parents wasn't there to encourage you or nothing like that, support you or nothing like that. But so you've been broken since then, but over the years as an adult, you haven't seen no type of therapist or nothing. You have a bunch of this unresolved trauma, unresolved anger, unresolved pain. And how is this woman's fault? How did she catch the short end of the stick? How did she become your victim? Why your parents ain't your victims? Why they not in that bitch tied up? Are they dead somewhere? Maybe you did say they was dead. I don't remember. But why the fuck they not your victims? Get to the murdering suicide. You talking about you got an axe or a hex or whatever hanging from the damn ceiling. What are you supposed to do? Just come down and chop y'all both? What the fuck? I'm still confused. Come on.
Tomorrow creeps in
birthday today. And so after for recording time and all our yesterdays have lighted forth away to dusty earth.
When all of our yesterdays have lighted the fool's way.
I'm pretty sure a veteran of the song would appreciate that comparison.
Bullets are flying. People are dying. One tiny error in comedic timing, you could sabotage an entire evening.
Were you any good?
Those are my proudest moments on stage. I mean, the improv classes were all fine and well, but once we got in front of an audience, I froze.
Okay, so then whose fault is it that you're not a successful thespian?
Focus. I need you paying very, very close attention.
Then, bitch, you shouldn't have gave me the fucking
You know
note.
about that? That's where you told me up.
Eyes on me. Hey. Hey.
Look, you don't need books.
When I talk, you listen.
Man, get break out this chair and beat this lady up.
God damn it. Again, I wanted to hurt you. Cut you, hit you, shake you. But I resisted.
Thank you.
In 1997, I was in Italy with a friend when we met and befriended several locals. They were Roman Catholics, and it was during Lent.
What the fuck are you doing?
They practiced the art of flagellation. Now this repulsed my friend, but I was utterly captivated by it.
I
So,
am
in the
sick
spirit
of you.
of the Hermit of Umbria,
We only with
Reynaldo
40 minutes in.
I will take the rage that I feel towards you and reflect it upon my flesh. You pathetic soul! For it was Jesus who was the progenitor of this sacred practice.
I get your point. Please
Think
stop.
about it. In John and Mark and Matthew, Jesus was flogged by the Romans. But he knew of this scourging to come. The flagellum, it was not a mystery to our Lord. He welcomed torture and said scourging could be argued to be the pillar upon which billions of Christians would place their faith in him. Now, a trained eye could infer that the world's largest religion was founded by and rooted with self-flagellation.
Stop.
Ain't no way you hear yourself that goddamn hard.
I make no claim to be equal with him, but I swear that I have come closer to seeing the eyes of God through this practice than I have in any other place of worship the globe over. From the most humble of ashrams to St. Stephen's Basilica.
Please stop. Please stop. Who are you trying to impress? God, it wouldn't allow
Perhaps
this.
this was the answer all along. It wasn't uncommon for practitioners to pass away in the days after a particularly enthusiastic session.
Please stop. Please stop. I don't care. Please stop.
Over 30 people died in 2019 in Kabbalah, Iraq. It was during the rituals of Ashura. Can you guess what the central practice was during this great festival of atonement?
Please tell me it was hopscotch. Come on.
Oh,
please
he's here
stop.
with us.
He's not.
Can't you feel that?
He's not. God wouldn't allow this.
Of
Please.
course you can't. Only those willing to sacrifice will enter the great pleroma.
Please stop. Please. I'm begging you, please stop.
You haven't brushed up on your book of Revelations.
God damn you.
Fuck that. Close your eyes. You gotta watch her do that shit. Go back to sleep.
Relax, Dr.
Dr. Pete, I'm so proud of that one.
He was still alive.
A pivot to what he truly owed me.
Girl, everybody owe you something.
I hadn't planned on showing you that, but I feel like it was going in the right direction.
I'm never gonna get the image out of my.
Can you not fucking move though? Cause you just been sitting there like a motherfucking statue the whole goddamn time in the same fucking position. Your arms ain't moving, your fucking feet ain't moving. None of that shit. You even trying to get away.
And promise me it's not gonna be what I just saw.
Oh, that? Oh, no. That is brutal. Born of rage. My plans for you are much more serene. I can promise you, you'll feel absolutely no pain.
So you're gonna kill me?
What the fuck?
Just tell me.
Don't feel no pain, but the bitch I'm already bleeding to go.
I promise I'd leave some mystery for the end. Storytelling 101.
Just tell me the story. There's nobody here, but just please tell me the story.
I mean, you're correct for now, but this story...
For transparency, that'd be nasty as fuck.
How the fuck?
The nastiest shit I had to taste. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna shake my ass.
How the fuck? She's supposed to.
Bitch. Hold that tight. Man, I lift the motherfucking plate. And that's what love. Nobody. That woman can ride your foot. And now I'm
Sir, take your ass home to your wife.
No.
sure.
All to get to the perfect results, which you just can't deny. Much like the world will not be able to deny when my installation breaks the internet like a goddamn battering ram.
You don't think you set your sights a little too high?
Absolutely not.
How many views did R. Dwyer's video get?
Who?
Never mind.
Back to me. Focus now. Claude Monet, Vincent Van Gogh, Paul Gauguin, and countless other artists. They all died broken alone. It wasn't until after their deaths that the world caught up to their genius. I will be the first artist in history to become posthumously famous while still alive to enjoy it.
Look at that, say you was 15 suicide.
And what are you trying to get out of that?
Are we talking money again?
Anything. What is it that you think you're going to get?
Oh, I know. I will get the respect, the adulation, the recognition that I deserve. My installation, my art, the art itself, it will live on forever, as will I.
Look, I think it's been like a hot minute since you stuck heroin in your foot.
Oh, yes, thank you. But first, I must do something. Just let me get to it. Here we go. You're gonna love this. Anyone, it would be Lauren, myself, and God. How dare you suggest that you could pervert our Trinity? I was more of a mother to her than you ever could be.
Sure wish I could get your help. I guess we're doing just fine.
Okay. There she goes.
Like you built that contraption with the subtlety of 80s hair metal.
She is now armed and dangerous.
So you pull that thing, and my face becomes a Jackson Pollock.
I don't know, could you get out the jail the whole damn time? The fuck? You should have been did all these. Don't care. Don't be paying no more people bills. Go on now, just let the day leave. What is you doing? Just leave. You got time to look in a fucking photo album, bitch. Get out of here. What is we doing? You going back in here? For what? Get the fuck out of here. What the fuck are we doing? What is you walking on like that for? I don't know. Can we please get the fuck on out of here? I knew it was the back of a fucking theater. I knew it. I knew it was the back of a fucking theater. I knew it. I knew it. I absolutely knew it.
You okay? Think you spent $1 or $2?
No, bitch. Look at me. Fuck you. Spare me $1 or $2.
Oh, God bless you. That's your money, girl. Go spend it.
What? All right, y'all, that was the installation on Tubi, written by Edward Hickling. Thank you once again, Edward, for your submission, for your movie suggestion for me to review. First and foremost, I would like to say congratulations again on being your first screenplay. And shout out to the actresses, the actor, Tori, Tristan, Tamir. Shout out to y'all for your commitment to the roles. I think y'all did a great job in your roles. So I wanted to say that first. But as far as the movie goes, let's get into it. First of all, baby, it was entirely too long of nothing happening. It was too much dialogue and nothing really being explained. There's a lot of exposition, but it wasn't really getting explained anything. So pretty much the whole movie, we're just wondering what's going on, when it's gonna get to a climax, when it's gonna get to a head, when is something gonna be explained. It was a lot of us not knowing what was happening, basically. And it needed to be sped up. It was just a slow burn. That burn that kind of still really led up to nothing. But I do understand the plight of it. It seems like it was a play on the extremities of artists, extreme artistry. So I get that, but it was just a lot of monologue and a lot of dialogue and a lot of talking that really wasn't saying nothing. And the fact that everything took place in that one room, that whole 2 hours, that was a bit mundane as well. It could have been a lot more action going on. Now, as far as the kidnappee being sitting in this chair this whole time, could you get out? Could you move? It just seemed like he wasn't even really trying until at the very, very end there. And the kidnapper, she had a lot of unexplained trauma, well, a lot of unhealed trauma and all of this and that and the other, but I get it. So, I understand her plight or whatever, and that's what made her crazy, that's what made her want to be a killer and whatnot, but I still don't understand why she needed this particular woman, because she really could have chosen anybody. But I did enjoy the film for the most part. It was kind of rough, but thank you for your suggestion again. Congratulations again. Thank you for being a fan as well and a follower as well. Y'all keep watching the channel. Stay tuned to the channel, y'all. So make sure you like, subscribe. Try to get this up to 50 views once again, and I'll be dropping something again really, really soon. Thank you for joining me on Keisha's Corner, because you never really know what's going down on the corner. I'll see y'all next time. Remember, everybody needs a Keisha in their life.
Girl, I like you, do you like me? I think that we make a good team. Cause you the land and I'm the sea. I think I see you in my dream. I think I see you on TV. You look like a movie star. You belong on the big screen.